Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today I am going to take a quick pause from the current project that we're making. This is the Christmas album that we're currently making, the Christmas Spectacular. I'll have that playlist linked up here if you want to join in. This is as far as we have gotten. This is where we are so far. Right, this is where we are. Little letters to Santa. But anyway, I wanted to take a second because I wanted to share. Overwhelmingly, people are asking to make a specific album. Overwhelmingly, people are requesting a specific album. So we are going to pause from the project that we're currently working on just for this one video, so I can show you what we're going to be making directly after this. So again, this was requested overwhelmingly, and it was because it's one of the prototypes from the release of this set of templates. This is the mini album mashup set of templates, the album 2. So one of the prototypes is this one. And you guys wanted to make it so bad. Everybody kept saying, please let's make it, please let's make it. So today I double checked to make sure that the paper is available. And I'm telling you now that we're going to be making this directly after we finish our Christmas album. So it'll be the first album that we start in 2026. So I'm telling you now so that if you want to make this with me, you can go run over and get this paper collection. I will have it linked in the description box for you guys. And I'm going to show you what I used in the prototype. We're going to follow the prototype closely. So that I know exactly what we're going to need, like as far as the amount. I mean, we might make it a larger album. Right now it's a 2-fin, but we might make it a 4-fin. It just depends. You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments. But we are going to be making this directly after our Christmas album. So the first one to start in 2026 will be this one. So there is a flip through of this in the intro video for the set of templates. I'll have that intro video here. And there will be timestamps in the description box where if you need to, and the first pinned comment, if you want to go see the flip through of the prototypes. I'm pretty sure it's timestamped. So let me show you everything that I'm going to use for this album. And the reason I say we could increase these pages to a 4-fin album because when I made the prototype, I did not use even half of what I bought. So I bought the paper collection. This is the 12 by 12 paper pack, and it's 8 double-sided designs. I'm just going to flip quickly because I wanted to just show you really fast. I'll do a more in-depth video before we start the project, but I just wanted to show you really quick what's in the paper. There's only one of each, I believe. I might have misread that, but we'll look. There might be 2 of each. No, there's only 1 of each. So there is the initial paper collection. And then I also got the solids that go with it. So 1 paper collection, 1 solids. I'll do that real quick flip through of this one. I just love this color palette. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so there is the solids. So far we've got a solid collection paper pack for Echoes of Time. We've got the actual collection, Echoes Time. Who designed this? A Joanne Bain designed this. I love it. It's beautiful. I love this paper collection. I love this paper collection. Okay. Then the other 3 things that I got that I'm going to be using, and again, I didn't use all of these items, so if you don't want to buy all 3 of the next things I'm going to show you, that's okay. You don't have to. These are the Echoes of Time rub-ons. So I think there's 3 sheets. Yes, there's 3 sheets. And I'm going to try to hold them to where there's not a lot of glare. But I love these. I love these so much. There's one. What if I hold it this way? There's two. I'm kind of have to hold it at a slant so there isn't a glare. And then here's the third one. Okay. So there is the rub-ons. And then there are 2 packs of laser cuts. So let me show you these. This one, are they named any different? Yes, laser cut elements, and then there's laser cut wildflowers. So I'm going to show you the laser cut elements, and on the back there are some things you can fussy cut, which is cool, right? But look at here. Oh, they're going to fall out. I love these. I use the heck out of these in this album. They're so stinking beautiful. So I'm trying to be careful so that don't fall out. I love these so much. I'll show you an example of the laser cut in action. Let's see. I'm going to try to find one that's on there, the clock there. I've got the clock. That's not it. That's not it. There it is. There's one of the laser cuts. Let me gently. Oh. There it is right there. This one right here, I've got it right here. And there's another laser cut. Another laser cut. Another laser cut, right? They're just so cool. Okay, so there's that one. This one is the laser cut elements. And then the other one is the laser cut wildflowers. Wildflower. I don't feel like this collection has gotten talked about a lot. Like I haven't seen it much. I mean, but I love it. Okay, so here is the wildflower. It's got 4 sheets. There are 2 of them, 2 connected. So 2 sheets, but then you can split them apart, I guess. I don't know how to explain it, but there's some fussy cut elements on the back there. And then look at these. Look at those. Look at those. Let's see. Are these the ones that are on the cover? The flowers that are on the cover. Yes. So, like these flowers right here. Look at how delicate and intricate that is, right? That's right here. I think that's it. Yeah, that's right there. I'll scooch you in so you can see. See this right here? It's right there. Isn't it beautiful? It just looks so... They're laser cut. What are they called? Laser cut. Oh, did I open this up yet? Laser cut sheets, I guess. They're not really called die cuts. I had purchased the die cuts and the chipboard elements and all those things, and I used 1 die cut out of the pack, and that's it right here. I think that's the only one I used, is this little tag right here. So we don't need those. I didn't use any of the chipboard pieces. So this is what I'm going to be using. So the 2 laser cut packs and the rub-ons, and oops, laser rub-on. Nope. And the rub-ons. There's the other one. Oh, I just love them. And the paper collection, and then the add-on, the solid cardstock pack that goes with it. So I'll have everything linked down below. And let me know your thoughts, you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you're excited to make this album. So this will be made right after the Christmas album, and I'm excited. And let me know if you want to do a 2 or a 4 fin. I believe that we would have enough just from here to do 4 fins if we needed to, because this 2 fin didn't take all of the elements. So we could stretch it out quite a bit if you would like. So just let me know. Let me know if you're excited about making this. I think it'll be a fun project. And then I'll do a detailed video, of course, on everything that we will be using in this album when I go to do the prep video. So that'll be fun. And this one I did use the diamond check background design, which goes perfectly. So there's that. So if you want to get the diamond check background design version of the mini album mashup 2, I'll have that link down below. If you want to go ahead and get started, or if you want to wait until there's a coupon code. So the next giveaway drawing, I think, is this week. Could be next week. I think it's this week. And there's always a coupon code that's good for at least like 2 weeks when I do those drawings. So if you want to wait for the coupon code and get the diamond check version of this paper collection, because that's probably what we're going to be using. But anyway, all right, thank you so much for hanging out with me today, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed, leave me a comment. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.